Okay everyone, welcome back to another video on the Foxtecc YouTube channel. This time we talk about the Journal app and how you can go ahead and get it on your iPhone in case you do not have it just yet. And if you're not familiar, Apple has recently added the Journal app, which is like official from Apple. And let me just show it to you right now. You can literally go ahead and open up the App Store like this and just look it up and you type in Journal. So this is what just shows up to you. This is the app which tells me that I can go ahead and install, but it does not let me do so. And the reason for it is that at the top you can see that it just requires iOS 17.2 or later. So in case your iPhone doesn't run this version, it's just not going to be possible for you to get the app. So you just have to go through the process, see if you can get it. But for me, of course, it does not work. So the first step is naturally to leave the App Store, leave it for now, go to the settings, scroll down, go to the general section, software update, and naturally iOS 17.2 at least, but now 17.3 is now going to be available. So at first update to that version, and then the chances are that the Journal app is going to appear on your home screen by default, like as the first thing. And if not, you can always just look it up inside of the App Store and you will be able to download it that way. But yeah, as I said, this is the first step. This is the prerequisite to make sure that you can actually get, for whatever reason, it is limited. And naturally, if you have like an older device which doesn't support the iOS 17 at all, you will not be able to get the official Journal app. But you should not be like too worried about it, because if you just check it out inside of the App Store, there are so many different third-party journal apps which you can go ahead and use. Many of them have like free and paid versions, so you're not just stuck with the Apple stock version, although this is probably the best options for iPhones. But yeah, in case this is the case, make sure to update your iPhone to the latest iOS, and then you can go ahead and continue. So thanks all for watching. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe down below, check out the Foxtecc educational platform as well if you want to. It's free to join. There are like free courses and communities, so go ahead and join right now. It's free, as I said. So thanks a lot for watching. See you guys later. Peace out until the next video.